In order to install XAMPP, open your browser, search for XAMPP. Click on the very first link. This page opens up. I wish to download for Windows. And there you go. It will take a while to download based on your internet speed. Once you have finished with the downloading part, click on the file in order to open it. So the installer begins. You may or may not see that message. We will ignore that. Click next. Click next. If you want to change the directory, the location of the software which we are installing, then you can change that. I would say go for the default. Untick this and then click next. Let it finish. It will take around 1 or 2 minutes. I'll fast forward it. Once it gets done, click on the finish button. The XAMPP control panel will open up. Now we click on the start button next to Apache. That will do the job. But let's go for the SQL too. We need to do this every time when we want to run any PHP code. So let's verify. Now go to your browser and type localhost. If you see this page, the installation was successful. So the server is up and running. Now open Windows Explorer. Locate the installation directory. Open the folder named htdocs and delete all these files. We don't need them. What actually happened is we deleted the code for this page. Now let's see how to open a PHP file. It's a bit different from opening HTML file. Let's write a code to print something on the screen. I'm creating a new text document and let's write a complex PHP code. You may not try this. All stunts are performed under supervision. Let's save this and I'm now changing its extension to .php. That's a PHP document. Now to open this file, we may open our browser and then simply type localhost. So here's the output from a complex code. Now if I just rename my file index.php to some random PHP file name and then open my page once again. So we are in the directory mode, you can say. So you may need to click on that. So this is how we open some PHP document. Now if I just drag it to my browser, it will not work unlike HTML documents. Once you are done with that, click stop.